An effective cancer treatment with very few side effects. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, our next guest says that is a reality for many patients, and this treatment is offered right here in the Valley. Please welcome Dr. John Kressel of Phoenix Cyberknife Center. He's here to tell us how they can help you. Good to see you, Dr. Kressel. What is Cyberknife?
So Cyberknife is a type of radiation therapy or treatment device that delivers a type of radiation therapy called radiosurgery or SBRT. It's the only radiation treatment device that actually tracks and moves with the patient. The radiation beam moves with the patient, so it's much more precise and accurate.
Yeah, it is a revolutionary alternative to traditional cancer treatments.
Yeah, standard radiation therapy is delivered in fractions over many weeks. This is always 5 days or less, so a lot of times that's important to patients when they're trying to minimize their COVID risk. It's not as many trips to a medical center. But the biggest thing is, since it's moving with the patient or the target, we can deliver the dose much more precisely to the tumor and spare the surrounding healthy structure, so there's very little in the way of side effects.
Walk a patient through that experience. I think it's important to reiterate 5 days or less.
Yeah, they basically come in, they lie down, there's nothing that touches them, there's no needles, there's no anesthesia. It's almost like a dental x-ray or a chest x-ray. You don't really feel anything. Treatments are always about 30 to 40 minutes, and you get up, you go home.
Yeah, I know you're very proud of the Phoenix Cyberknife Center here in the Valley, but there are centers across the country. Why is that so unique?
Well, again, Cyberknife is a specialized type of treatment, requires additional equipment and staff and training, so not everybody's available to provide that type of therapy, but it is rapidly growing throughout the U.S.
Yeah, it's heartbreaking when we hear cancer patients talk about they have to decide on a treatment based on whether they can afford it. Is Cyberknife covered under insurance?
Yeah, Medicare covers it. It's covered by all the major payers, and in some instances, particularly for like lung cancer, it's the preferred treatment for some patients.
Yeah, and I want you to talk about the physicians and the radiation oncologists at Phoenix Cyberknife. How are they different?
So additional specialty training with regards to the utilization of the Cyberknife and stereotactic body radiotherapy. So in addition to the usual training for radiation oncology, they've got additional training and certification for that.
Yeah, and I know, and we're going to meet one of your patients a little bit later in this show. We can't wait for you to hear his story. One of the things he said was he felt so comfortable, and he even used the term you said, I got this, I got you. That's an important factor when going through treatment.
Well, I think, we're pretty proud of what we do. All of the staff are handpicked. They're very proud. They're very good professionals, and we realize that it's a patient's first time, so we want to make them comfortable, and we know that every question's a good question.
Yeah, there's no question that you can't ask, and to just know that you have a staff and a team that backs the recovery all the way through, that's got to make you feel so good about what you're offering there at Phoenix Cyberknife.
I tell them every day, our best reward is when our patients do well.
Yes, and guess what? We have one of those patients with us today. We can't wait for you to meet him coming up. But right now, if you have questions for Phoenix Cyberknife Center, please give them a call. You can also email them at info@pcroc.com. They're located at 4611 East Shea Boulevard. That is in Phoenix. Call 602-441-3845. You can also visit them at phoenixcyberknifecenter.com.